afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook Filipino style spring roll. We are going to use 3 pounds of ground pork, but if you don't eat pork, you can also substitute ground beef or ground chicken. And also we're gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, and also 1.5 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And we're also going to use 1.5 cup of celery, and also 1.5 cup of chopped carrots. And also we're going to use 2 eggs, and the white eggs, just the white, don't use the egg yolk, so just put a little bit of water into it and then you just mix it. We're going to use this as a paste for our wrapper. And the seasoning I'm going to use is the fish sauce, but if you don't prepare to use fish sauce, or if you can find it in the store, you can put salt instead if you want. About maybe 1.5 teaspoon of salt for a 3-pound ground pork is good enough. And also we're going to use lots of oil for our frying. And the wrapping we're going to use, as you can see, we have 3 different kinds of sizes here. I am going to use today this one, like the medium size of the wrapper. And also they do have a big one like this, the large one, and also the smallest one like this. It's up to you. Whatever you can find in the store, you can use any of these. Just you just have to calculate how much meat you're going to put inside, and just enough room to cover it all, to wrap it. Now we're going to mix all of the ingredients together. Just put all of these. And our carrots and celery. And our 2 eggs. And the fish sauce, I'm going to put maybe about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then we're just going to mix all of the ingredients together. You don't have to cook this much if you don't want to. It's up to you how much ground pork you have to cook, or it depends about the ingredients. You just have to calculate all the ingredients you're going to mix with your ground pork. Just have to mix this all together. And now you just have to mix all of this together, like mix it really good. So as I have said earlier, if you don't want to use fish sauce, you can use salt. But 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt will be good enough for a 3-pound ground pork. Okay, so after mixing all of this together, I'll show you how to wrap it up. Okay, you will see the wrapper, like they're all sticking together, so you just have to separate them one by one like this. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put it this way. I just have to put enough of the fillings inside, just like that. This way. And then this is where we're gonna use the egg whites. Okay, and I will do it again one more time. Just like that. Just like that. And now I just have to wrap all of this, and then after that we're going to start frying. And now we just have to get a frying pan like this and just put a good enough of cooking oil there, and then just have to wait until it's hot enough. I think it's already hot, and now we can start putting our spring roll. You can also use a deep fryer if you prefer that. And we just have to fry it until it's golden brown. I'm gonna do it until the other side is also golden brown. And now I think this is all cooked now. And we're gonna put the rest of it after. And there you go, my friends. This is our Filipino style spring roll. And the sauce we're going to dip it, you can use or buy a plum sauce or this sweetened chili sauce. It's made for spring roll dipping. And also you can use ketchup or vinegar if you want. Okay, my friends and family, until next time, thank you very much.